These are guinea pigs. Are doing well. These are females. The females are they're pregnant, very pregnant, heavily loaded. See this one? See the stomach? Heavily loaded. You put to bed in few days' time. This one is also pregnant. This one is also pregnant. These are the males. So guinea pigs. They're beautiful. They're expecting mothers very soon. They're going to deliver. I just separated them. They were together before. I just separated them so they give them time, enough room to have their babies. This one is heavily pregnant. This one too, see the stomach. It's heavily pregnant too. See the pregnancy, how the stomach, how heavy the stomach is. These are the male. These are male too. So that's it.